What's up, guys? How's it going? Your boy is back with another banger today we're diving into a super important topic. But hold up, we jump into that spooky action. I gotta ask anything you guys want me to change up and improve in my videos. Drop your thoughts or comments below your feedback. Help me level up my content. I mean, we in this together, right? All right, let's get into it. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and subscribe if I deserve. I'm playing, editing, uploading, and doing all process in only one phone, so please subscribe and show support. Watch it carefully, you'll understand everything. I've explained all the details thoroughly in this video. Warzone Mobile, like many resource-heavy mobile games, can experience performance issues due to a combination of hardware limitations, software inefficiencies, and network problems. Below is a detailed explanation of these performance issues and their root causes: lag, network performance, network latency, ping. Warzone Mobile is a real-time multiplayer game, which means it relies heavily on your internet connection. If the ping, the time it takes for data to travel from your device to the game server and back, is too high, you'll experience delays in the game's response to your inputs, often referred to as lag. This is especially noticeable when firing weapons, moving, or interacting with the environment. Packet loss. If data packets sent between your device and the game server are lost or delayed, you may experience rubber banding, where your character jumps backward after moving forward, or delayed actions in the game. Connection speed. A slow internet connection can cause issues with loading assets and syncing real-time data with other players, resulting in lag. Warzone Mobile requires a fast, stable connection to maintain a smooth experience. FPS drops, frame rate instability, CPU and GPU limitations. Warzone Mobile is a graphically intensive game that requires significant processing power from both the CPU and GPU. If your device isn't equipped with a powerful enough chipset, it may struggle to maintain a steady frame rate, causing stuttering and FPS, frames per second, drops. Thermal throttling. When your phone overheats, the system will reduce the performance of the CPU and GPU to cool down. This results in reduced FPS as the phone lowers its power to avoid damage from overheating. Graphics settings. High-quality graphics settings, such as ultra-high resolution, shadows, and textures, demand more from the hardware. If the device is unable to keep up with these settings, FPS will drop as it struggles to render frames. Background apps, other applications running in the background, consume system resources like CPU, RAM, and even network bandwidth. This can lead to resource competition, resulting in FPS drops as Warzone Mobile does not receive sufficient processing power to run smoothly. Overheating intensive resource use. Warzone Mobile requires continuous high CPU and GPU performance, which naturally causes your device to heat up. This is compounded by long gaming sessions, or if you're playing with high-performance settings, high resolution, frame rates, etc. Lack of active cooling. Unlike gaming PCs or consoles that have active cooling systems, most smartphones rely on passive cooling. Mobile devices can't handle long periods of high performance without overheating, especially in graphically demanding games like Warzone Mobile. Ambient temperature. The environment in which you are playing also contributes to overheating. If you're in a warm environment, the phone will have a harder time dissipating heat, stuttering, and freezing. RAM management. Warzone Mobile requires a large amount of RAM to load and maintain its large maps, multiplayer interactions, and high-definition textures. If your device doesn't have enough free RAM, e.g. 3 GB or lower, the game will stutter or freeze as it struggles to load assets or manage multiple tasks. Background processes. Many smartphones try to multitask and keep apps running in the background, but this can hog RAM and CPU resources. When RAM usage gets too high, the phone's performance can degrade, causing the game to stutter or freeze intermittently. Loading delays and asset pop-ins. Storage read, write speeds. If your phone's storage, where the game and its assets are stored, has slow read and write speeds, you may experience delays in loading textures, maps, and other in-game elements. This is particularly true for devices with slower eMMC storage compared to faster UFS storage found in higher-end models' insufficient storage space. If your device is low on storage, it can't cache game data efficiently, leading to longer loading times for textures and assets, causing pop-ins, where textures or objects load late, appearing suddenly as you move through the map crashes. Low RAM Warzone Mobile can crash if it runs out of RAM, especially if you're trying to run other apps in the background or have multiple tabs and tasks open. Software bugs, game crashes can also result from bugs in the game code itself. As Warzone Mobile is continually updated, new bugs might cause instability. Crashes can also happen if your operating system has conflicts with the game. Incompatibility. Some devices may not be fully compatible with the game due to varying specifications. Even if the device meets the minimum requirements, older phones or those with unsupported chipsets might experience crashes during gameplay. Touch input delay, touch latency. If there is a delay in responding to your touch inputs, ADG, firing weapons, aiming, or navigating menus, it can be frustrating. This issue can be caused by system-level input lag, especially when the phone is overheating or overloaded with background tasks. Display refresh rate. Many high-end phones support a 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate, which improves touch responsiveness. Lower-end devices with a 60 Hz display will inherently have a higher touch latency, making them feel less responsive during fast-paced gameplay. Software optimization, input delay, can also be due to poor optimization within the game itself. If the game isn't optimized to efficiently capture and translate touch inputs to the screen, it may result in delays, audio, voice, chat issues. Microphone access. Warzone Mobile's microphone glitches can happen if the game doesn't have proper access to your phone's mic, or if there are conflicts with other apps that also use the mic, e.g., voice call apps or background apps with audio access. Audio latency. You may experience delays or glitches in sound, especially during heavy firefights or chaotic scenes. This is often caused by the phone struggling to process both the game's graphics and audio at the same time, particularly if your device is overloaded or overheating. Common solutions to improve Warzone Mobile performance. Lower graphics settings. Adjusting the game's graphics settings can significantly reduce the strain on your device, leading to smoother gameplay and improved frame rates. Lower resolution, shadows, and texture quality to optimize performance. Free up RAM and CPU. Close all other apps before launching Warzone Mobile to give your device the maximum amount of resources available. Use a high-quality internet connection. A stable, fast Wi-Fi connection or mobile data with low ping is essential for smooth gameplay. Avoid playing on unstable or slow networks. Cool down your device. Take breaks between games to let your phone cool down, or use cooling accessories like fans or coolers to prevent thermal throttling. Keep your device updated. Ensure your phone's operating system and Warzone Mobile are up to date to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes. Clear cache and free storage. Make sure you have enough storage space and clear cache data to allow the game to run more efficiently. Disable background apps. Use your phone's game mode or manually disable background processes to dedicate more resources to Warzone Mobile. Optimize game settings. Use a game booster or optimizer, if available, to manage performance better during gameplay. By applying these solutions, you can minimize performance issues and enjoy a smoother, more stable experience when playing Warzone Mobile. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe.